morning, mathematicians. Today we're going to be working on Module 2, Lesson 10. This is the last lesson in this module, and today we're going to be working on two-step word problems. All you'll need today is a piece of paper and a pencil, or your whiteboard and a marker. Let's get started. I've already written a problem. This is not in your math workbook. This is just a problem that I created so that you can practice solving two-step word problems before you come to math group. You don't need to write the problem, just listen and read along as I do. Miss Sharp decorated with 15 meters of red ribbon. She decorated with 8 more meters of green ribbon than red. How many meters did she use in all? You'll notice on my whiteboard, I know that this is going to be a two-step problem, so I went ahead and wrote step 1 and saved some space for all the work I'm going to do for step 1. And then I wrote step 2 and saved space for all the work I'm going to do in step 1. The first thing that I like to do is reread and underline all of the important information I know I'm going to need for the problem. So it says Miss Sharp decorated with 15 meters of red ribbon. She decorated with 8 more meters of green ribbon than red. That doesn't mean that she decorated with just 8 meters, but 8 more than the red. And then the question asked, how many meters did she use in all? So I know we're going to be putting the lengths of those ribbons together. For step 1, I want to draw a tape diagram. The first tape that I want to draw is for the red ribbon. So I'm going to mark that with an R. Tape or a rectangle beside that. And I know that my red ribbon was 15 meters. I just so happen to have a green as well. And we know that the green was 8 more meters than the red. And we want to know what that total is of all of the ribbons. So the green ribbon we know is 15 plus this 8, and that will give us the green. So down here for my green ribbon, I want to add 15 plus 8. That wasn't a good 8. And I know that 15 plus 8, let's see, if I take out the 5, I'm left with the 3. 15 and 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So the green ribbon was 23 meters. We already knew what the red ribbon was, okay? So for step 2, when it says find how many meters did she use in all, our equation is 15 for the red plus, actually I can do that in my colors to make it easier, 15 for the red, 15 meters, plus, how many meters of green did she use? Oh yeah, 23. That total. Pull out 5. I know that 23 plus 10 is 33, and 33 plus 5 is 38. That is 38 meters. The last thing I need to do is write a sentence or a statement that shows my answer. Miss Sharp meters of ribbon. It's really important that you write a statement and put your answer in a blank, because then we can see if it makes sense. How many meters did she use in all? Oh yeah, 38 meters of ribbon in all. We're going to do another problem together that's very similar. It's a two-step problem. This time it has to do with pencils. Again, you don't need to write the problem. Just follow along. But be prepared to do the equations and tape diagrams that I do. Okay, the orange pencil is 17 centimeters long. The pink pencil is 9 centimeters shorter than the orange pencil. What is the total length of both pencils? This problem feels very similar to the problem that we just did. I know that it's going to be a two-step problem because we know that the orange pencil is 17 centimeters and we know that the pink pencil is 9 centimeters shorter than that, but they didn't tell us outright the length of the pink pencil. So I'm going to write step 1 and step 2, and I would like for you to write step 1 and step 2 on your board. So what is step 1? We do know that the orange pencil is 17 centimeters long. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram or a rectangle in orange. That is 17 centimeters. That represents my orange pencil. We don't know exactly how short the pink pencil is. We just know it's 9 centimeters shorter. So it is going to be smaller. And we know how much smaller. We know it's 9 centimeters smaller. We just don't know exactly how short it is. But we can figure it out. How will we figure out the length of the pink pencil if we know it's 9 centimeters shorter than 17? Go ahead and write an equation that will help you solve. I know that the orange pencil is 17 centimeters. I know that the pink pencil is 9 centimeters shorter than that. So 17 minus 9, that's equal to 8. 8 centimeters. So I know that the pink pencil is 8 centimeters. Step 2. Remember, we're trying to figure out the total length of both pencils. Can we do that now? Do we know the length of the orange pencil? We sure do. We know the orange pencil is 17 centimeters. Do we know the length of the pink pencil now? Yes. We know that the pink pencil is 8 centimeters. And to find the total length, are we going to add or subtract those two numbers? You are correct. We're trying to find the total. So we're going to add 17 plus 8 equals, let's think about that. I know to get to 20 from 17, I could add 3, so I might take out a 3, and then I'm left with a 5. 17 and 3 is 20, plus 5 makes 25. So the total length of both of those pencils is 25 centimeters. I just need to write that. I'm actually going to use this green. It's a much better pen, I've noticed, than this blue one. So the length of both pencils. This is very important. You should be writing all these steps that I am. The length of both pencils is 25, what's our unit of measure again? Oh yeah, centimeters. 25 centimeters. So go ahead and write that down. Today in math group, we are going to be solving problems just like this. So it's really important that you watch this video and you follow along on your whiteboard and give it a try so that when we come to group, you are ready to participate and solve some more problems together. Have a great day, and I'll see you at math. Bye.